This equation looks simple, but it is a bit challenging. 4 to the power of x is equals to x. How do we solve for x? Solution. 4 to the power of x is equals to x. Taking the natural logarithm of both sides, we have ln 4 to the power of x equals to ln x. This guy could be written as x times ln 4 equals to ln x. Now, let's divide both sides by x. So we're going to have x ln 4 over x equals to ln x over x. Clearly, this guy takes care of each other. So we are left with ln 4 equals to ln x over x. We just collect the like terms. So let's proceed further. Now, recall that e to the power of ln x is equals to x. Let's take note of this guy. So from this guy, we have ln 4 equals to ln x over. So we will now replace this little x with this guy. So we're going to have e to the power of ln x. Let's proceed further. This implies that ln 4 is equals to ln x. Suppose we want this guy to be at the numerator, it becomes e to the power of ln x, negative ln x rather. Now, suppose we want this coefficient ln x to be of this form. What do you think we should do? Let's multiply both sides by a negative 1. So we're going to have negative ln 4 equals to negative ln x times e to the power of negative ln x. We just multiply both sides by a minus 1. In this stage, we can now recall the Lambert W function formula. It says W of a times e to the power of a is equals to a. Take note of this. We can now simply take the Lambert W function of both sides. So we're going to have W of negative ln 4 equals to W of this right hand side, negative ln x times e to the power of negative ln x. Good. W of negative ln 4 is equals to, by comparing this right hand side with this guy, you will observe that negative ln x is a. Likewise here, negative ln x is a. This right hand side now becomes negative ln x. Our a is negative ln x. So let's proceed further. This implies that negative ln x is equals to W of negative ln 4. We just interchange these guys. Nothing has changed. Now, to make it easier, let's multiply both sides by minus 1. So this implies that ln x is equals to what? Negative W of negative ln 4. Exponentiating both sides, that will be e to the power of ln x equals to e to the power of negative W of negative ln 4. But what is e to the power of ln x? That is exactly what we have here. Let me show you. Our this very assumption, x. So x is equals to e to the power of W of negative ln 4. Therefore, x is equals to e to the power of this whole guy is the same thing as 1 over W of negative ln 4. This is the required value of x for this exponential equation. That's it. Thanks for watching.